First question, 25% of a number is 8 less than 1/3 of that number. Find the number. Okay, let the number be x. Okay, it is given that 25% of a number is 8 less than 1/3 of that number. That means 1/3 of the number minus 25% of the number, that is x by 4 is equal to 8. Now we'll solve this. This is 12. 4x minus 3x equal to 8, or x equal to 12 into 8. (96) Option C. Two numbers are 20% and 50% more than a third number. The ratio of the numbers is. Okay, let the third number be x. It is said that two numbers are 20% and 50% more than third number. That is, first number is 20% more than third number. That is, 20% means 1.2 x. And the second number is 50% more than third number. That is 1.5 x. This is the second number. So the ratio of the numbers is, okay, ratio of first number by second number, that is 1.2 x divided by 1.5 x, that is 12 by 15, which is equal to 4:5. Option C. In how many ways a committee consisting of 4 men and 10 women can be formed from 6 men and 10 women? Okay, there are 6 men and out of which 4 men are in the committee. Therefore, NCR, that is N is 6C4 into, also there are 10 women out of which 10 women are in the committee. Therefore, 10C10. This is NCR is equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So this is 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial into 4 factorial, and 10C10 is 1. This is equal to 15. Option C. Find the next term in the sequence AYD, BBF, DRH, and last is KGL. AYD, BBF, DRH dash and KGL. Okay, we can see that AB, that is plus 1, B to D, that is plus 2. Now this will be plus 3, that is E, F and G. Now this is H, I, J, K, that is plus 4. Second will be Y, V, that is minus 3. Okay. Next will be minus 4. Here it will be minus 5. That is, here it is minus 6. So this is M, and this is, now the next is D, F, H, that is alternate term. D, F, H, next is alternate is J. So G, M, J. So this is option B. A is the brother of B, B is the brother of C, C is the husband of D, D is the father of A, D is related to E as. A is the brother of B and B is the brother of C. So A, B, C are brothers. Now C is the husband of D. There is a woman, that is D. This is a woman. And C is her husband. Okay. Now E is the father of A. E is the father of A. Father of A means, since these three are brothers, E is the father of A, B and also C. Okay. E is the father of C. Now how is this woman related to E? This is E is the father, C is the son, D is the daughter-in-law. So D is related to this father as daughter-in-law. Option B. Two pipes P and Q can fill a tank in 6 hours and 9 hours respectively, while a third pipe can empty the tank in 12 hours. Initially, P and R are open for 4 hours and then P is closed and Q is opened. After 6 more hours, R is closed. The total time taken to fill the tank is, okay, it is given that P and Q can fill the tank in 6 hours and 9 hours respectively. Therefore, the efficiency of P is 1 by 6 and efficiency of Q is 1 by 9. It is also said that a third pipe can empty the tank in 12 hours. This third pipe is R. Okay. Therefore, efficiency of R, since it is emptying, it is a negative work. Therefore, efficiency is minus 1 by 12. Now, initially P and R are open for 4 hours. That is, now we can draw this. P for the first 4 hours, who is working? P and R. Okay. Then P is closed and Q is opened. That means P is closed, Q is opened. That is, R and Q are working. For how many hours? After 6 more hours, R is closed. That is, this is working for 6 hours. And after this 6 hours, R is closed. Now who is working? Q is working alone. For how many hours that we have to find? That we don't know. Let's take it as X. Okay, now this is the total work and total work can be taken as 1. Okay, now we'll form an equation that is, in the first case P and R working for 4 hours, that is efficiency of P and R. Total 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 and they are working for 4 hours. Okay, plus in the next 6 hours R and Q are working together, that is 1 by 9 minus 1 by 12. 1 by 9 minus 1 by 12 working for 6 hours. And third, Q is working alone, that is 1 by 9 working for X hours. And this is the total work, which is equal to 1. Now we'll solve this. We get first is plus 6 by 36 plus X by 9 equal to 1. Solving this, we get X as X is equal to 4.5 hours. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the total time. Total time is this 4 hours plus 6 hours and also this X hours, that is 4.5 hours, which is equal to, total time is 14.5 hours. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. A school has 63 students studying physics, chemistry and biology. 33 study physics, 25 chemistry and 26 biology. 10 study physics and chemistry, 9 study biology and chemistry, while 8 study both physics and biology. Equal number of students study all the three as those who learn none of the three. How many students study only one of the three subjects? First, we'll draw the Venn diagram. Now this is physics 33, chemistry is 25 and biology is 26. And the students studying both physics and chemistry, this portion is 10. Now chemistry and biology, this portion is 9 and biology and physics is 8. And there is a common portion, that is students studying all the three subjects. Let's take this as X. Okay, this portion let's take it as X. So given that number of students studying physics and chemistry is 10. That means these 10 students are studying physics and chemistry and they can study biology also. It is not said about that. So that include this area also. Okay, now the number of students, we can find the number of students who study both physics and chemistry alone, that is this total 10 minus this area, that is 10 minus X. Okay, now Next is students studying chemistry and biology, given as 10, given as 9. Okay, it is given as 9. So the number of students studying chemistry and biology alone will be this 9 minus this common area, 9 minus x. Okay, next is given biology and physics. It is given as 8 students. So the students studying biology and physics alone would be 8 minus x. So now we got all these portions, that is, this is 10 minus x, this is 9 minus x, and here it is 8 minus x. Now next we will find this portion, that is the students studying physics alone, chemistry alone, and biology alone. Okay. Now this full circle is the number of students studying physics. Okay. So number of students studying physics. Studying physics is given as 33. So what would be the number of students studying physics alone? Number of students studying physics alone would be this total 33 minus all these portions, that is 8 minus x, then this 10, this 8 minus x, this 10 minus x, and x. 33 minus 8 minus x minus 10 minus x minus x. Okay, that will be, this is 15 plus x. Okay, now similarly we'll find the other also, that is this is 15 plus x. Now next portion, that is the students studying chemistry alone, would be the total students studying chemistry, that is 25 minus this portion, that is 10 minus x, then x, then 9 minus 6. Okay, 25 minus 10 minus x minus 9 minus x minus x, that is this total 25 minus this portion, these three portions. This will be equal to 6 plus x. So this portion is 6 plus x. Next we'll find biology alone. So total students in biology 26 minus the common portion, that is 8 minus x, 9 minus x, and x. 8 minus x minus 9 minus x minus x. This would be 9 plus x. So this is 9 plus x. So now this is, we know that this total number of students here is 63, in this school is 63, and it is also said that the number of studying all the three subjects, that is x, is equal to the number of students who is not studying any of the three subjects, that is the number of the students who is studying none of the three subjects is also x. So this whole thing, that is will be equal to, that is in the circles, will be equal to 63, that is total number of students minus x. Okay, that is, we can write all these as in the circles as, first is 15 plus x, next is 6 plus x, then 9 plus x, then the small portions, that is 10 minus x, then next is 9 minus x plus 8 minus x plus the middle portion, that is plus x. This whole thing is equal to 63 minus x. X plus 57 equal to 63 minus x, or 2x equal to 6 and x equal to 3. So we got this portion as 3. Okay. Now we have to find the students who are studying one subject alone, that is 15 plus x and 6 plus x and 9 plus x. This is 15 plus x is, here we know that x is 3, therefore this is 18, this is 9, and this is 12. Therefore the student studying one of the three subjects is 18 plus 9 plus 12, that is equal to 39. A large cube is formed from the material obtained by melting three smaller cubes of 3, 4 and 5 centimeter side. What is the ratio of total surface area of the smaller cube and the larger cube? Okay, the cubes of 3, 4, 5 centimeter sides are melted to form a large cube. So, what is the volume of the large cube? Okay, volume of the large cube would be the volume of all these cubes that are added together. That is, volume of cube is a cube. That is, first cube is 3 cube. First volume is 3 cube. Second is 4 cube. And third is 5 cube. This is the volume of the large cube. That is equal to 126. So, large cube has volume 126. So, what would be the side of the large cube? Side of the large cube would be the cube root of 126, which is equal to 6. So, this is the side of the large cube. Now, ratio of the total surface area of small cube to large cube. Now, what is the total surface area of this large cube? The total surface area equal to 6 into side square. That is 6 into 6 square. Okay, this is about large cube. Now, small cube. What is the total surface area of small cube? Total surface area of first cube would be 6 into 3 square. Then second cube would be 6 into 4 square. Third cube has total surface area 6 into 5 square. This is equal to 6 into 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Now the ratio would be ratio of smaller cube, a total surface area of smaller cube to larger cube. That is 6 into 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square divided by 6 into 6 square, which is equal to 50 by 36. That is equal to 25 by 18. So the ratio is B. Next, given below are two statements and two conclusions. All purples are green, all black are green. Conclusion is some black are purple and no black is purple. Okay, it is given that all purple are green. Okay, this is purple. All purple are come under green. Next is all black are green. Okay, this is green. So all black come under green. Okay, this can be drawn in two ways. That is, first is all black are green in this way, or we can draw in another way also. This is purple, this is green. All black are green. That is in this way also. All black are green. So there are two cases here. First case is this, second case is this. And now we'll read the conclusion. Some black are purple. That is, some black are purple. That is, some black are purple. This can be true. No black is purple. Here we can see that no black is purple. Okay, this can also be true. But both cannot be true simultaneously. Okay. So, option is option D, either 1 or 2 is correct. 1 or 2 is correct. Both 1 and 2 is not correct. Only 1. Only 1 is not possible because there are two cases. Only 2 is also not possible. So, option D. If compound interest on certain sum of money is 5% per annum for 3 years is rupees 1891.50, then find the simple interest on the same sum for the same period same rate. So we can write compound interest as, that is, amount minus principal. Okay. Therefore, AT is the amount after time period T. That is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to N, where R is the rate of interest, N is the time. Given that rate of interest is 5% per annum and N, that is time, is 3 years. So we can find this as, and compound interest is given as 1891.50. Now AT is P into 1 plus R by 100, that is 5 by 100 whole raised to 3 minus P. This P can be taken common. 1 plus 5 by 100 is 0.05 whole cube minus 1. P is taken as common. This is P into 1.05 whole cube minus 1. This is 1891.50. From this equation we can find P, that is P is equal to 12,000. Now what we have to find? We have to find the simple interest on same sum for same period of time. That is simple interest. We know that simple interest is equal to PRT divided by 100. P is already got as 12,000. Rate of interest is 5 times 3 years divided by 100. This is equal to 1800. So option A is the correct answer.